mama go make we give am the power oh. If he hand over power oh, for sake of colas. If he hand over power oh, now pass along for the people.
Una good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all around the world. My name is Maurice Safa, popularly known as Tolo Gundo Sagwa. Well, I think it's February 24th. I see, say, President Nkrumah, King Nkrumah, he been falling all the ambulance system way be supposed for done in operation ever since they buy them. I don't know who said the government buy them. But then I be government money, then I be the people their money. All of a sudden, 2 weeks before elections, Naim, this President Nkrumah so can pull all things I do. I don't know who say he not tap them. But it look like say President Nkrumah just like how he not get respect for Salone people them, the people them way in the rule. It look like saying that so again he don't take for play politics with their life. King Nkrumah, since when you been don't get the ambulance then day? Whose time you get them? What do you get them for? You been get them during Ebola time or waiting? Why it take up until the last 2 weeks before election before you pull the Nadu? Now that you think to say you go make Salone people then go vote for you and you flag bearer, the one way you select, Samura Kamara. Now your political strategy that for this time or so, that are one of the 99 ways by which APC they steal elections, where they tap ambulance them, where they for sick people them. So they go take them to hospital when they're sick. You go tap them. You keep them, whosoever you keep them, until election time. Now you they pull them. How many men they don't die because they're not able to get to hospital or go to the get to the doctor because ambulance no dey. Because you don't tap them so that you go pull them out 2 weeks before elections so that the man where you don't selected flag bearer Samura Kamara go win this election here so. Hey Papa Nkrumah, and I they call you Papa. But what you don't do so, don't show you call again to the whole country. For say you don't care about Salone, you don't care about people them, you don't care about sick man, you don't care who that die. As long as you APC party and you selected flag bearer will not thief this election again. Because APC not they win election, we not self know that. We not they always thief them. Then I would have 99 ways for thief elections then. But this one here so King Nkrumah, this one don't show now for say you really not care for Salone at all. You don't care for the people them. You don't care for whether you they rule. As long as you win and continue on the power or you get Mr. Samura where you go keep him on remote control so that you go the flip him the way you want for rule from remote control. King Nkrumah, why you they do this to the people then? After all, that money they where you buy that ambulance with, now people their money, now government money, and you not just president of the country. They're not to you money, not to you owner. I don't know whether that be debt self where you don't take part the country, which means to say we picking them and possibly grand picking them, they all get that debt and their aid now. But you don't can take that debt day, you don't put up with people them so that you go win election. Why you do that, King Nkrumah? Wetin make you not get respect for Salone people dem? Why? Na so APC still get for win election? You don't go bring we man where the whole world don't know now for say he been don rape woman. Or they say he been don rape woman. Because me not to be the talk about that people I don't hear it, and we don't dey at the media, that the whole world. All man know that. But the fact is, why you go bring Motorman like this for come Roop and Salone people them? Like say we Salone people them will not get moral values, will not get moral virtues at all. Now wetin no more King Koroms want, na him forbid na Salone. You go bring with them, and now you dey go take debt from we people them, and then you can tap the ambulances for sick people them, for make people they not get in the hospital, and then 2 weeks before elections, you dey pull an ado, you dey bluff. You know, King Koroms, you remember say all man na Salone full ba. That's what you really dey think. But that was na old strategy. We know say na old strategy. When you dey take either government money, because you don't get money where you self make before you can be president. We all know that. All man know that. Okay? What you been get, they say what the insurance company been there down in the gutters. Money not been there. So who say you don't get all this money also? So they can't make people feel to say you dey work for people then debt, the debt where you don't go take, where you don't put per all man aid. You dey can't take the ambulance them, you dey hide them, you dey pack them, you dey trap them till election time. And now you dey expect say people therefore go say, oh, the power don't work, the power don't work. You know, when I let we go drop vote for them, the power don't work. Ostem, 2 weeks to election. Remember say people they full. But that one dey an old strategy. And then they say so. You give money to people and they go eat and flip. I tell you that. All man know that they eat and flip. You see all the money where you don't because we don't hear you say you they broke the treasury for make for make you pay all people there for let them go vote for them. That the information that we don't go around though. If they on the social media all side. For say you they come or now una strategy na for take all the money there out of the treasury and then for make sure for say you spend that 50 fata like water like rain we not like Hamatan rain we not stop. We people their money. Not that you money. Not that you money. We know that. The whole country know that. And yet still, you dey take that money there, you go give to people there for make them vote for you. You remember say that one day na legal thing where you dey do, King Koroms? Na legal thing that way you dey do, you self. Oh, I don't know. Which kind of political strategy you sabi, but it look like say you na dictatorship no more way you sabi. Who say you dey do wetin you want, not a way you dey convince people them for let them like you, for let them support you. None of that kind of politics where you understand. Now the politics of dictatorship, where you just they do what you want. Now that make you be one, you don't try all kind of try they for make you take a third term against the constitution. That now a dictatorial tendency. All the things look all the need-not the way you don't try for make you stay in the power no more. King Koroms. What's wrong with the democracy out of which they elect you in 2007? Remember, now because of democratic principles where SLPP being used, we allow you for become president. Now, you they do all kind of tactics there and strategies there for staying in power, legal or illegally. You they go tap ambulance them, wait for take people them na hospital when they need them, Wait for take people them to the doctors when they need them. Why you tap all that the ambulances, the Natom, anyway, na Freetown? What about the rest of the country? King Koroms, Alexa, you been forgive at least one ambulance per district. So that if somebody they were sick, they will go get another village. Let them bring her to the at least district hospital or any kind of a health facility where they around there. If you before do that, at least for all the districts there, the 12 districts there, of course, plus the western area, that be for at least good. But you go tap all the ambulance there, you can't pack them. Till now. And then 2 weeks to elections, you pull them. So that all man go gladly and they dance. Oh, Papa Koroms don't do well. Papa Korom they work. Go yourself. Come on, King Koroms. We know say APC don't crown you for be president forever. I mean not a president forever. I mean chairman of the APC party forever. But the whole country not ready yet for have you as king, as president forever. You for give up this idea for make you stay in power, either directly or indirectly, either by direct control or remote control. Left this idea here so people they don't wise up na Freetown, na Salone. Even the man where they na the deepest village, they know what they happen. Now that make all man get cell phone now. Now that make all man get mobile phone. Now the villages, so all man they know what they happen. You for don't understand this by now, but when you know sabi political strategies, pass no more dictatorial politics, now that make you not even understand that. You they go take ambulance them to the last minute to election, you can't pull them, and then they expect for say people therefore run to the ballot box now and put ballots. Now you where you man, the man will you select, Mr. Samura Kamara. That man, with the whole world know who that he be, or would that they don't claim say he be. PhD, zip, rape. Well, people then say he did not rape woman, and he not don't answer them questions. Then that make me. Tolo Godo, I will continue for talk about that until March 6, election day. I mean the day before elections. King Koroms, Bodia, make Samura Kamara answer the country as to whether or not the allegations they're true. Once he do that, if the answer is credible, hey, let me first go say sorry. Let me first go apologize. But you know what thing? The citizens they require for make you tell them the truth. For make you talk the truth to them. The citizens of Salone don't want somebody where at least then they allege say he get criminal record because one where they don't adjudicate on it, so it not be a record yet. But for say criminal allegations, then they be them. They don't want to make you be with president. Let's say out of nearly 7 million people, no other person, they will get clean character. We get for stick with somebody where the whole world don't hear now for say if you don't rape. Come on. King Koroms, what you they do so to this country also? Boy, you don't benefit from this country. You fumble, they don't benefit from this country. You, the suspicion they didn't have for say, you're not a multi-millionaire. How you can be multi-millionaire? You not go do the simplest thing for the country, for the people, for make them enjoy, for at least know for say, you get their interest. Come on, King Koroms. This kind of wire so you don't do. for bring ambulance the way you be not tap. Nobody know how long you be not tap. As you tell the country, of course. Who said you buy them, or how long you don't tap them, or would that be the reason we make you tap them until 2 weeks? Until you explain to the country. We go continue for feel for say you do them for election purposes. Period. And if you do them for election purposes, everybody know for say the money where you take, if that money where you been take for buy the envelope of that debt you don't take a idepan we. Now Salomon they get her. So you, King Koroms, you not do nothing way better where people there for vote for you for. In fact, I know for say since the time, it's very possible for say since the time where you done buy the ambulances there, Motama they don't die. That's alone. Because they're not able to get access to healthcare facilities. Motama go don't die. So, in other words, since when you don't buy or you don't get the ambulances then you don't put them to use for the benefit of the country. You don't keep them there. You want for use and now for the benefit of getting a vote for this human, Samura Kamara. You sure say that one they good for this country, yes? So? King Koroms, come on. You for do better than that. You for know better than that. Not that the time this way they can't fool people anymore. Everything when they happen around the world, it inside the telephone way or the cell phones there, the mobile phones there, where even the villagers then get that in village. You for don't understand that by now. For say you don't dey fool nobody. And old man know for say that money dey. When you take for buy that, now the government money, and the government money, now the people their money. So this is the other thing again where they tell all man when they vote. If King Koroms can't give you money for make you vote for him, take him, eat and vote. Now you money, now government money, not to in the money where King Koroms don't get for in picking them or in whole family, then they overseas some side. Then they once he don't come under power, either he go sit on that place, na the country who side the money then they, or he go they grab na salon, go there, go take some of the money, can they enjoy them. So that money they way they go give una for make you vote for them. Una eat them. Una eat them. Not of them own them. Now public money, now government money, the government belong to all the people there. Which means to say that money they belong to you so to you also. So if you lucky for make them, ponder small one and give you, take them, eat them. When you go inside that boot day, not vote for them, because if you take that money day and then you go for them because you vote for them because of the money, now haram you don't commit. In other words, now sin you don't commit. Because that means to say you and King Koroms would don't take government money and share them between una all. What about the rest of the citizens? What about the rest of the 7 million people? They don't get nothing. If they don't get nothing, then what do you remember say God they do to una? What did God they do to una? Jahannama. Jahannama. Hell. Hell. Because when you take something where belong to all man, and you make it your personal property and you enjoy them, while other people that they suffer. Now Jahannama you defend. Now hell you dey end up for go. So what think go be the best thing for do? If King Koroms give you that money there, take them, eat them, but not vote for them. If you vote for them, you don't commit haram, you don't commit sin. So there's no more I want to talk about today. King Koroms, take ambulance there. He go keep it there. till election time. And now he want to make you make the whole country see say, oh, King Koroms don't work, King Koroms don't work. No, King Koroms, you not work nothing. That ambulance day, you be for don't put her into operation, let Motorman then they enjoy them, enjoy the use, so that people and possibly people that will go down die, not before die. So you not do nothing, King Koroms, for the country. Instead, you make people then suffer and possibly for say, you make people then die. Now the legacy that way you they left for what you don't do, King Koroms. Thank you very much.
Make we give am the power, oh.